Guys, we're here at our project. Take a look at the view.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.
Ganda, abot langit. Abot kamay ang langit. Literal. Isa pa guys. So mga ka-momentum, ito na po yung work in progress natin at hindi ko po siya nakuhanan because I charged my phone. Here's the ultralight version. Guys, medyo masikip kaya I cannot show you the whole wall na malinaw, but I'm gonna try my best. Wait, bigyan ko muna si Maya. Ayan.
Nagabihin po kami guys. Good luck.
Guys, ang layo naman pala. Lukban kasi to guys. Hindi namin na-expect. We're not...
Hindi namin expect na unexpected.
So, yan. Ganda niyan guys. Kaso kasi... Tsaka medyo dim yung lights nila. Kaya, ayan. But, kukuha na natin to ng mas maganda. Okay? So, I'll be back later. So guys, ito na yung the best ko na pwesto dito. Kasi if you'll notice, ayan, medyo masikip siya. But it's so beautiful here, guys. So beautiful. Even the ceiling has an art. And this is their sink. Dito yung kanilang comfort room. But anyway, yan. This is Earthline's house, guys. Here at Lokban. So, yes. Nakarating kami ng Lokban, guys. Kaka-mural. Napakalayo. Imagine, umalis kami ng 2 p.m. Nakarating kami dito ng alas 7. Wawa. So, kakagawa lang namin today. So, that's what we're doing. A tropical leaves design. Dito sa wall nila. Sa my bathroom. So, yan guys. Ganyan kalaki yung wall. So, ayan. And we're here. Yan. So, I'm gonna give you an update for this product. I'm gonna see you later. Guys. Ganda. That's the hagod. Ako will attempt to deliver. Wala kami dyan. Hintay ko kayong bugong ka maghapon.
Sana tumawag sila.
Sana.
Tapos i-Gcash mo na lang. Para may na tayo.
Anong saan yung iwan?
Doon, sa isang bahay.
May tindahan din.
Hindi, sa isang bahay ni Nyani.
Ay, okay.
Sexy na ng mahal ko. Kita legs. Naks.
May palegs.
May palegs.
Legs, why?
Nakakasilaw.
Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.